wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best RGB LED strips. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're searching for a way to add some much-needed pizzazz to movie night, then you're sure to find a solution in the Pangton Villa DIY, which will supply you with over 30 feet of luminous ornamentation, capable of bedecking your entire home theater from floor to ceiling. This is a solid budget pick that's also good for holiday decor. However, the remote range is somewhat limited. At number 9, whether you're an engineer looking to illuminate your hard work or you simply want to upgrade your gaming area, you'll appreciate the attav PC computer case for its vibrant diodes that last for 100,000 hours and heat-resistant protective sheath made from silicone. It comes with a 19-inch extension cable and a 4-pin Molex power connector, but the embedded magnets are a tad weak. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While many models on the market are outfitted with 300 LEDs per strip, the Daybetter Flexible doubles that by using 600, so you can expect an ultra-bright experience once you've installed them. They're also IP65 waterproof, so you can take the party to the patio. These include a 44-button remote control and boast a 50,000-hour lifespan. However, the adhesive isn't very strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for RGB LED strips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, using its integrated high-sensitivity microphone, the Minger Dreamcolor Digital can detect the cadence of your favorite song, whether it's up-tempo or relaxing and mellow, and sync itself to it, flashing its lights to the beat for the ultimate rave or musical performance. It can imitate romantic candle light and is equipped with short-circuit protection, but the accompanying smartphone app can be finicky. Moving up our list to number 6. Enhance your commute with the OPT7 Aura Underdash, a set of 6 smart color ribbons that boast exclusive bass-activated sound sync technology, which pulses along to the rhythm of your tunes. Plus, they come bundled with 2 compact remote controls that are easy to use. They include a car charger, and setup only takes a few minutes. However, they are rather on the pricey side. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you don't want to have to rely on your internet connection in order to operate your mood lighting, then you'll appreciate the topmax rope kit for its handy Bluetooth functionality. You just need to download its dedicated smartphone app and you're good to go without Wi-Fi. The controls are intuitive and the flexible ribbon can curve and bend. It offers 16 brightness settings. At number 4, the Magic Q150 is compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa and can be controlled by iOS and Android devices, so it's easy to manage remotely whether you're at home or not. It's also backed by an 18-month warranty against manufacturing defects for added peace of mind. It's equipped with a convenient timer function, a UL-listed 12-volt transformer, and a 140-degree beam angle. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The alitove individually addressable stands out from competitors thanks to its carefully engineered chips and flexible printed circuit board, and since it enables you to program each pixel to display a distinct hue, brightness, and animation, it's also highly customizable. It features a 24-bit color display and a silicone casing that's easy to clean. This one's compatible with Raspberry Pi. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for RGB LED strips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, take your entertainment experience to the next level with the maylit Accent, which was developed to serve as an exciting backlight for televisions ranging from 40 to 60 inches. It plugs right into most modern sets via its included USB adapter for simple installation. It won't overheat and offers 4 dynamic flash modes. It's especially nice with mounted TVs. And taking the top spot on our list, because you can cut the TPI Pro upgraded and link them in multiple formations, you can use them to liven up any area, regardless of the size, and they use extra strong 3M adhesive backing that's designed to stick to everything from paint and plastic to metal and glass. These are sold as a set of 2 and make a great addition to kitchen cabinets. They come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for RGB LED strips, or simply click beneath this video.